Hi, it's Lauren here, once again bringing you another 2-Minute Tuesday, where we break down tricky financial topics in the span of just 2 minutes. Today we're talking about bills, and no, I don't mean that old Destiny's Child song. I'm talking about bill pay, what it is, and why you might want to use it, or not. So let's start the clock. So bills are everywhere. There's the internet bill, electricity, cell phone, credit cards. It just never seems to end. And all those bills really add up, making it tough to manage. You could pay all these bills one by one as they come in. Or you could set up automatic payments with each company through their websites. But paying bills like this not only takes time, you might lose track of one and raise the odds of forgetting a payment. That's where bill pay comes in. With bill pay, you have one list for all your bills in one place. Bill pay saves time, saves money, and keeps it all centralized. It really keeps things simple. Another advantage of bill pay is it puts you in more control of your bills. Because all of your bills are being paid from within your online banking's bill pay service, you don't give your personal account information to the bill provider. This gives you more control if you ever have a dispute with your bill, or say if you have privacy concerns about your personal account information being out there. One way bill pay keeps things simple is a feature called Ebels. So Ebels automatically sends an electronic version of your bill to bill pay where you see them all together. You can set it up to automatically pay them each month, or if you choose, you can review them before they get paid. Again, bill pay keeps all your bills in one simple location, making it easy for you to see where your money is going and when. Using bill pay might also save you fees. A number of bill providers actually charge a fee for paying your bill through them over the phone or with a credit card. But with bill pay, you're paying the bill right from your checking account, bypassing those potential fees. One thing to watch out with setting up automatic bills in bill pay or otherwise is to not get lazy about checking your account and bills. You never know when a suspicious service charge might get added to your bill, or you might realize you're paying for something you no longer use. Another tip with paying bills is to check to see if there are discounts if you pay your bill annually versus making monthly payments. You might get, say, a 10% discount on insurance just by paying yearly. Setting up bill pay starts with logging into your online banking and clicking on the bill pay tab. It might take a moment up front to get everything set up, but the benefits are so worth it. It'll save you time, can save you money, and it'll keep all your bills in one nice spot to manage. So there you have it, the ins and outs of bill pay. If you'd like to learn more about Coastal's bill pay, which is free by the way, I'll put a link in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all things Coastal. And remember, the best part of banking better is living better.